You don't need a gym to stay strong after 50. 5 exercises, 0 equipment, 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. That's all it takes. Do these 5 movements consistently, and you will rebuild functional strength, protect your joints, and feel more powerful in your body than you have in years. No machines, no excuses. Number 1. The push-up hold. Most men over 50 think push-ups are too basic to make a difference, but the real problem isn't the push-up. It's that they've never done one correctly. A full push-up activates your chest, shoulders, triceps, and every deep muscle stabilizing your spine, all at once. Master this, and you rebuild the upper body strength most men quietly lose in their 50s without ever noticing. Here's how to do it. Get into a plank position with your hands just outside shoulder width. Lock your body into a straight line from head to heel. Lower your chest all the way to 1 inch from the floor. Pause for 1 full second at the bottom. Press back up with full control. Do not let your hips sag or your elbows flare outward. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 slow reps. This is how you rebuild the upper body strength that protects you for decades. Number 2. The bodyweight squat. Most men blame their knees for why they avoid squatting, but the real cause is weak glutes and tight hips that force every ounce of pressure directly onto the knee joint. The bodyweight squat restores hip mobility, rebuilds quad and glute strength, and trains the exact pattern your body uses every time you stand up, sit down, or climb a flight of stairs. Neglect this and your legs age fast. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and toes pointed slightly outward. Push your hips back and lower down as if sitting into a chair behind you. Keep your chest up and your knees tracking directly over your toes. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as far as your body allows. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 controlled reps. This is how you protect your knees and keep your legs strong for life. Number 3. The isometric wall sit. Most men skip static holds because they look too easy, but it's actually the hardest kind of strength work your muscles can do. The wall sit fires your quads, glutes, and hamstrings under sustained tension, building deep muscle endurance that no amount of cardio can replicate. It also teaches your body to stay strong under load without placing any stress on your joints. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slide your back down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, 90 degrees at the knee. Keep your feet flat and your back pressed firmly into the wall. Hold completely still. Do not let your hips drop below your knees. Breathe steadily throughout. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you build the leg endurance that keeps you strong and steady every single day. Number 4. The Superman hold. Most men with back pain try to stretch their way out of it, but stretching alone never fixes a weak back. The Superman hold activates the deep posterior chain, the muscles running from your glutes all the way up to your mid-back that go dormant from years of sitting. When these muscles switch off, your spine suffers. Switch them back on, and the pain disappears. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your stomach with arms fully extended in front of you. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and thighs just a few inches off the floor using your back muscles alone. Squeeze your glutes and draw your shoulder blades together at the top. Keep your eyes fixed on the floor to keep your neck safe. Hold for 2 full seconds at the top, then lower with control. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 slow reps. This is how you build the strong back that protects your spine for life. Number 5. The dead hang. Most men over 50 have shoulders that are tight, rounded, and on the verge of injury. The real cause is a lifetime of pushing movements with almost no pulling or hanging. The dead hang decompresses your spine, opens your shoulders, and rebuilds grip strength, which research consistently links to longevity and overall physical health. 2 minutes of hanging does what an hour of stretching cannot. Here's how to do it. Find any sturdy overhead bar or beam. Grip it with both hands shoulder-width apart. Let your body hang completely dead. No tension, no shrugging. Allow your shoulders to fully open and your spine to lengthen naturally. Keep your core lightly engaged so your body doesn't swing. Breathe slowly and hold. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. This is how you decompress your spine and bulletproof your shoulders at the same time. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.